Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mga kabayan. Happy 5 de Mayo. Today is May 5, 2020. So dito tayo sa isa sa mga pinagkukunan natin ng mga sakyan, sa mga sources natin, because we're here to do a Facebook live video para sa special request ng aking kliyente na si AWD ng Alberta. Matagal na namin tinatrabaho ito, and finally naisingit namin yung approval, and she's happy, I'm happy, and she requested na I do a Facebook live video ng kanyang sasakyan. So sabi ko, absolutely not a problem. Lahat naman ng kliyente ko ginagawan ko ng Facebook live video. So Ate G, I'm not sure if you're at work or wherever you are right now, because I know how busy you are. Here's your 2020 Kia Sedona LX Plus. So let's do a quick walk around ng sasakyan. As you can see, very nice pearl white na color. So it's got yung fog lamps niya dito. Of course yung headlights niya. So you can see malinis ang katawan natin. It's got the alloy rims na naka all season tires. Turn signal lights, as you can see there. Wheaton Honda. Ako ang umorder niyan para sa'yo. Ito yung likuran niya. Sedona LX. Okay. Ayan yung kanyang backup camera. So, to those wondering, no, kasi tinanong din sa akin ito ni ate the vehicle says LX, pero paano ko malalaman kung LX Plus siya? And here's how you find out kung LX Plus yung Sedona mo. If meron siyang power sliding doors. So the L and the LX models don't have the power sliding doors. Sa LX Plus, andyan yung power sliding doors, which is a big convenience kung may mga anak ka, labas-pasok and all that stuff. It also has the power lift gate, as you can see there. So all the power options sa LX Plus. So since nabuksan natin yan, tingnan natin yung loob. Stow and go seats. Very nice space. Mapa-family man or hindi. Just gotta pull that down. So kaya na siya kadali i-fold na flat. Hatakin mo lang to, and it folds flat. Extra storage space if you need it. And I always tell you guys, no, there's better options than a Dodge Grand Caravan. And if I were to buy a vehicle myself, I would put yung pera ko on a Sedona LX kumpara sa Grand Caravan ng Dodge. It's much more streamlined, much more nicer vehicle. I don't know bakit bumibili pa rin kayo ng mga brand new na mga caravan when there's so much better options. Power liftgate. So middle row naman tayo, as you can see there. So since kakapull ko pa lang to, hindi pa siya nalilinis, pa-detail pa natin yung loob nito. Okay. Adjustable din yung middle row niya. You got your handrest over there as well. So since power function siya, punta mo lang siya dito, sasara na siya, diba? Driver side naman, you got your power driver seats. Very nice, very comfortable space sa harapan. Push button start. One thing na I like sa mga sasakyan ng Kia is yung extra na mga features nila. So this one has the heated seats and the heated steering wheel, which is very nice kasi ate lives in a part of Alberta na pag malamig, malamig. So we had a heated steering wheel, heated seats. You got your rear parking sensors, eco mode that helps with the fuel economy. Ayan ang iyong front dash right there. Ayan ang iyong backup camera. So hindi naririnig yung beep beep, yun yung kanyang parking sensor. Masyado ako malapit sa likuran, nag-beep beep siya just to let you know na baka makabangga ka na. There's a park. It also has the key wireless charging dito. So i-on mo lang ito, tanggalin mo yung cellphone mo sa case niya, makakapag-charge ka wirelessly. Sorry, nag-blur yung camera. USB port, auxiliary cable. Extra storage there. And here as well, yung mga manuals yan, dito pa. And one thing na I like about the Kia brand is yung kanilang 555 na warranty. So, show that to you guys. Give me 1 second. Digital speedometer as well. Steering wheel controls when you're driving. So, ayan. Yung 555 warranty nila. So, that's 5 years. Free roadside assistance. 5 years comprehensive warranty. 5 years powertrain. And 5 years corrosion. So one of the good aspects when you buy Kia. And even if a vehicle is pre-owned, makukuha mo pa rin yung tinatawag nating balance of factory warranty. So kung sabihin natin sa case na to, 2020 yung sasakyan, meron pa siya manufacturer warranty, kahit pre-owned siya, makukuha pa rin ni Ate G yung warranty niya. So magagamit pa rin niya yung roadside assistance, magagamit pa rin niya yung manufacturer warranty. So there's extra peace of mind. Hindi mo kinakailangan bumili ng brand new para lang meron kang peace of mind sa sasakyan. That's a very common mistake sa ating mga Filipino. Makakatipid ka naman ng pre-owned, mga 1 or 2 years old, doon ka na lang. May warranty pa yun, huwag ka mag-alala. You see there? So it doesn't have yung blind spot monitor, but it does have yung blind spot mirrors dito. Oh yeah. And there you have it. So guys, whenever a client of mine looks for a van, and medyo budget conscious or specific sila, I always recommend yung Kia Sedona LX first. Kasi nga, I've sold many of these before in the past. So far, lahat ng kliyente kong bumili nito, masaya, right? And I honestly believe it's a good value for the money that you're paying, right? Looks very modern. Hindi siya mukhang lumain, right? Kumpara sa mga ibang van. Definitely a great vehicle to consider if you're looking for an affordable and family-sized na vehicle. So, without further ado, Ate G, eto na ang iyong 2020 Kia Sedona LX Plus. Let's get that remote starter installed. The promise ko sa'yo. And yung winter mats din. And I'll see you later this week, hopefully, in the next few days. And para po sa inyong lahat ng nanonood, kung kayo interesado sa ganitong klaseng asakyan or kahit anong asakyan pa, mapa new or used, let me know lang po. Let's get you pre-approved for the loan. Tapos hanapan natin kayo ng asakyan na mag-fit sa inyong budget at sa inyong pangangailangan at sa inyong approval. Okay, so once again guys, Jerry Domingo po ito, Specialty Finance Manager, part ng Wheaton Honda, dito sa Edmonton, Alberta, and owner ng Pinoy Car Talk 101 sa Facebook.